So guys, let's see how this vacuum cleaner works. It's a dry vacuum cleaner, by the way. It's not a wet and dry, but it's a dry vacuum cleaner. I'm about to assemble it and show you guys how it looks like when it's assembled and how it works. And I hope it's gonna be good. Well, let's do this. So once you insert it like that, you have to tilt it like this, okay? And once you do that, connect this one, connect this one, and then this one. And the last one. Okay, this is the last one. Oh, this is the last part. And it goes like this. Right. As you can see, this is it. But we need to plug it, so we'll plug it so that we can use it. This is where you press to put it on after plugging it, like this. And behind this, there's a button here where you just press, right? Press like this, and this just comes out. Okay, so once it comes out like this, you can see there's a lot of dirt here. You open it, like this, you see, and then you pour this out, and then you clean this out good. Taking it back.